Welcome back, everyone. I'm Marisa, the Program Coordinator for RSVP and the Volunteer Center. Southwestern Vermont Council on Aging has asked us to help them find carpentry volunteers who can design and build ramps for their clients' homes so they can gain easier access. All the building materials will be supplied. They would like to let all their volunteers know that they are taking the appropriate precautions with COVID-19 and there will be no interactions with clients. If you are interested in becoming a volunteer or would like more information, please give me a call at 802-775-8220 extension 103, or you can email me at maryesa@rsvp@gmail.com. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is called RSVP and the Volunteer Center, Rutland, where you can stay up to date on all the new volunteer opportunities throughout Rutland County. We hope to hear from you soon and have a wonderful day.